how to go live on TikTok once you hit your 1,000 followers. Yay, you got 1,000 followers, you can go live. So what you want to do is go to your profile when it looks like this, and before you go live, you need to make sure that you announce it in a video 15 minutes before you go live and let your audience know. Now you want to hit that little plus sign like you would if you're going to make a post. You just slide it over to go live. Once you get to the live part, you need to name your topic, what you're going to be talking about or something. Then you need to select a topic there. You can do multiple, which I love about TikTok. You can literally pick a topic about anything and bring your community. Then you want to add your live goal. 1 rose is great, so you can start. This is your time to shine. You're going to get your fans to see you live. You can share the live to 15 people before you go live. And then once you go live, you can also share it to 15 more people. We're going to do a test. I'm going to do a test because I'm going to go live. And it's going to count down. You want to go somewhere where it's well lit. I'm just showing you guys for example. And you want to share it to 15 different people.